Hi, I'm Esther and welcome to Minden's. Minden's are nutritious, delicious meals that you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. And let's get started with today's Minden. Today's Minden is Taco Tuesday, brought to you on Monday, because we bring you a new Minden on YouTube every Monday for you to cook along with me, because it is so fast and so easy and hardly any cleanup. So what I did was I already used a pound of the lean ground beef. If you've been watching Minden's, our very first one showed you how to brown your ground beef, that's a tongue twister, really quickly using our handy dandy chopping tool. If you didn't catch it, you can go back on our website, which is www.mindens.com, and look back to see how you can ground your ground meat and where you can purchase one of these handy dandy chopping tools is on my webpage under Top Picks. So a lot of fun information on my website for you to go through. So what I did was I browned the meat because I wanted to drain it. There's not that much fat because I used a 4% lean meat. And if you are a vegetarian, use a meat substitute. If you don't care for ground beef, you can make this with turkey, ground turkey. You can make it with ground chicken, but we love ground beef. And with the lean option, why not? I found this taco seasoning mix, and I'm just going to sprinkle some right on the ground beef. I'm not going to use the whole pouch, just a little. And the reason I'm using just a little is because it's kind of spicy, and we're also adding our chunky salsa. Now this is our shortcut, because in our chunky salsa, and I picked this up at Trader Joe's, if you don't have one near you, look for a chunky salsa. The reason I like chunky is it already has peppers, it already has onions, it has everything that you're going to need that you would put in a taco, all in one spot, making it less expensive for you to purchase. Then all you're going to do is we're going to take some lettuce, and I already pre-put some, pre-put some on a plate for you. Instead of a taco shell, we're going to use these organic blue, nice dip kind of shells. They're already in a cute little shell shape. And that's it. We're going to add some of our meat directly onto our plate. And there you have it. Taco Tuesday on Monday. Quick and simple. All the nutritional information can be found on my website, which is www.mindens.com. I'll give you the cost per serving and the nutrition breakdown, which is the amount of fat in here, the carbs, and the protein, and everything that you will need to know what is in your meal. There you go. Quick, easy, no mess, and in minutes from your kitchen to your table. Thank you so much for joining us. Come back next week for Minden Monday.